what y'all think. You like the shirt? So I'm at Sam's Club. I sold some items on Amazon as merchant fulfilled, and I don't currently have these items on me. So I know they have a lot of them here, so that's what I'm doing here. And I'm gonna pick up like 5 or 6 of what I sold. And I only put that I had a certain quantity. I only put that I had a certain quantity, so I could keep track of how many there are. Just keep picking them up as they sell. So let's go inside. What's up, guys? In this video, I'm gonna show you an item that I've been selling that I don't even have a hold of. It's a chocolate item. It's slightly coated with chocolate, so it's not fully chocolate. And I've been selling them on Amazon. I've been merchant fulfilling them, and I've been selling them without even holding them. So once they sell, what I do is I go and buy them for really cheap at the store. And it hasn't melted either, so I shipped one to myself and it came back just perfect. So I know you can put like ice packs and stuff and coolers. Well, you could put an ice pack to keep it cool and insulation, but I didn't do that, so I tested it and it came back just fine. So with that product, I'm not gonna do all that and spend $2 extra, but that's possible. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that, and I'm gonna show you one other thing that I'm gonna buy in the grocery category. It'll probably blow your mind seeing what I sell. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all being here. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that if you want to, of course. Like the video and leave a comment. I appreciate everything, so thank you, guys. And let's get into it. And this is a small video since my Amazon payments don't hit till Monday, tomorrow. So I'm just working with what I got right now. Need to shave. So I'm gonna do a health challenge. So I'm waiting for a guy to drop off the meal replacement and something else for $25. And I guess since I'm a yes man, I couldn't say no. He hit me up on Instagram, so I decided to do it. And he said he'll be here in less than 5 minutes. So what's up, man? How's it going? So we're in this video.
What's up, Daniel? How you doing?
I'm doing good, man.
How you too? How you doing today?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a challenge. So he's got my what is that?
It's a 3-day trial pack for Herbalife for 3 days. Gonna have 6 shakes, cookies and cream, meal replacement shakes, basically 6 of them.
Yeah, so I'm gonna take this for 3 days and see how much weight I lose. Cause look, I'm a chubber.
And 6 Ernie Travis right here. 3 days. Pot would be $20 if he wins the most weights.
So I pay 25, and if I win, if I lose the most weight, I get 20. I pay 25. If I win, I get 25.
You get 20.
I get $20 back. Sorry about that.
Yeah, $20 for a challenge, $20 for this one.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So I already gave him the money, and
He explained to me I gotta weigh in the morning, tomorrow, and then Thursday morning I weigh in. So I'm gonna do that and see how much weight I lose.
That's right.
All right, thanks, guys. So with the Herbalife, I got 6 of these. 2 of these packages each have 3 tablets in them. Stimulates metabolism. Hell yeah. I need to bring sexy back, so let's do it. Here's the information. And that's it. It's a 3-day challenge, so I need to get it done. So now I want to blow y'all's mind and show you what I'm going to buy. Since I'm ungated in the grocery category, which means I could sell groceries, I got unrestricted. What I did was I sent in an invoice of 10 units of grocery items. I paid like 20 something bucks, 25 the most. And I got ungated in groceries. Took like a week in total. So now you see me selling groceries. That one looks nice and juicy. I almost burned my hand off grabbing that thing. Damn. So I just got home and I love my job. See y'all later.
And they'll buy you food,
No,
or if we're not there, or we can go to, you know where.
charge it to the Hustler game.
Mijo, what's wrong with your leg?
What?
What's wrong with your leg?
With my leg?
Yeah, you have a scratch, or a cut, or something awful. Turn your leg.
What?
That one.
This
Over
one?
there.
Oh, this one?
Look, you see?
Oh, yeah.
How did you do that?
With the heat gun?
With what?
A heat gun?
Oh my God, Mijo, you gotta be careful.
I love you.
I love you too with all my heart. But I prefer that you take care of yourself. I don't want you to have problems like that.
Man, that's crispy. Take that out.
Too much. This is gonna post it on Instagram
YouTube.
or YouTube. Oh, now you can do it. Do you want like tomato and hot and chili, or just tomato and what? And chicken, or what?
Chicken, tomatoes, and